question and answer. So my question will be first to Aditi. So you basically, if I understand, have transitioned from an operational role to currently a role that has more strategic influence. And how do you think being in the capacity that you are in as Chief Manufacturing Excellence Officer, how can women leaders in manufacturing shape the boardroom decisions and long-term business outcomes?
So I have been doing similar role earlier also. But for automobile industry, especially tier 1, I think, first of all, I have been the first woman who joined the leadership team of Uno Minda. We are a 26,000 crore company right now with 72 plants and 26 businesses. We supply to every single OEM, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and four-wheeler, and some part of commercial truck in India and across the world. What brought me in here and what makes me very confident and successful in the boardroom is my depth of data. So one is that how much I have honed my skills in terms of the subject, which is safety, quality, ESG, manufacturing. I'm right now setting up plants. I'm working on product development. Two things which I have believed in: products are dead. They have been created. It is the people and the process. So I have a tagline which says products are byproduct of people and process. So I spend a lot of time understanding the capability of my people. I spend a lot of time looking at the authenticity of my processes. Are they effective? Are they timely? Because now we are moving from mechanical to electronics, so are they timely? And are they adhered to? When you have all this information with you, you're talking on data and not emotions. Companies don't work on emotions. And that is something which I have been training myself for a long time, that when you are in the game, which is the game of men, you need to learn to play the way men play. Okay, there's no bias. It's a different game. When you play cricket, you cannot bring the rule of badminton, right? So that is something which, when I go to the boardroom, I go with lots of data, I go with lots of information, I raise hand and ask question, and I also push back and say, hey, I don't agree. So I think that has been my game, my style of playing. And I don't put all my cards at a time. I always have leading questions, so I give the data, which will ask question for which I have the answer. So most of the time, the questions in the boardroom are actually planted by me. So those have been few of the things. I think it comes, if you have been there for this long as one of the only person in the boardroom, and you are not recognizing yourself as the lone player there. So that has been my, I think, simple way of doing it.